Welcome to Heat Transfer Virtual Lab. In this video, we are going to find out the thermal conductivity of insulating powder. The apparatus consists of thin-walled concentric copper spheres. Inner sphere has a heating element. The insulating powder what we are using in our lab is asbestos powder or magnesium acetate. Is packed between two shells. The power supply to the heating oil can be adjusted with the help of thermostat, and it is measured by the voltmeter and ammeter. The thermocouples fixed between the inner sphere and outer sphere is used to measure the temperature. With the help of these temperature, we can able to find out the thermal conductivity of an insulating powder. The schematic view of experimental setup is given in this figure. As what we discussed, heating element is placed inside the inner sphere. Asbestos powder is filled between inner sphere and outer sphere. Totally 8 thermocouples are fixed between inner sphere and outer sphere in order to measure the corresponding temperature. Aim of this experiment to find out thermal conductivity of insulating powder. Apparatus required insulating powder apparatus, and specimen what we are taking is asbestos powder. Have a glance in procedure. We will see in detail. We are going to find out the thermal conductivity of insulating powder through this apparatus. The apparatus consists of a sphere-shaped dome. As shown in figure, it has an inner sphere and outer sphere. Asbestos powder is filled between inner sphere and outer sphere. T1, T2, T3, T4 are the thermocouples fixed between the inner sphere, and T5, T6, T7 and T8 are the thermocouples fixed at the outer surface of sphere. There is a heating element fixed between the inner sphere. Switch on the main. As what we seen in other experiment, it also has voltmeter, ammeter, temperature switch unit, and to vary the power supply, we also have a thermostat. Adjust the thermostat to the required value given for you. Now wait for 20 minutes until the heating element transfer its heat to the inner sphere. The transferred heat in the inner sphere will be conducted through asbestos powder and it reaches the outer sphere. Adjust the temperature switch and take down the required temperature values from T1 to T8. Take down the voltmeter, ammeter readings and temperature of the inner sphere and temperature of the outer sphere as shown in tabulation. Thus, by substituting the values in given formula, we can able to find out the thermal conductivity of insulating powder. Thank you.